Hello, our viewers. Thanks for joining us today on Mirror TV. I'm Sunday Bon Ibrahim. Have you ever heard about a community that abandoned their railway to dustbin trash? Have you ever heard about this community? This community is located in Plateau State, Nigeria, middle belt of Nigeria. It's located in Jos South Plateau. This community, I'm going to show you in this video. Community residents have said that they haven't get anybody, any implementing agencies from the states or federal government to supervise this place, but the place is very bad due to how I visit this place. You can see it in the video. As you can see behind is dustbin and trash that has been dumped on the railway. This railway is located in Plateau State, Jos South and Gidi community. We have spoke to the people that are staying around, people that are staying here, people that have been staying here for more than 3 to 4 years. They say that they haven't get any environmental agencies that visited this place, but this place is very, very bad due to the trash and everything that has been dumped on the railway. The train has stopped following this road according to the residents. The train has stopped following this road more than 2 years ago. Sunday Bon Ibrahim, Mirror TV.